You staring at the squirrel? You staring at the puppy? What you doing? What you doing? How you doing, little baby? How you doing? You get ready to eat your dinner. I put some fresh juicy pears in there for you. Yeah, you got fresh juicy pears and some unsalted raw almonds. All right, go back up to your nest, baby. It's okay. I was just bringing out some dinner snacks. You guys living up in your little cozy hole? Yeah, you good babies. All right, guys, let's let them eat. Want to come with me? Come on, let's go.